I'm Justin, rising senior at Green Valley High School, and this is my modification milestone for my IoT air pollution monitor. So compared to my previous progress, this looks much different than I used to, and that's because of all the modifications. So I'm going to go to the enclosure modifications, which is obviously this enclosure, and it has a hole for this LED, it has a hole for a BME280, and it also has a portable power bank that lets it run even when it's not plugged in. So what this LED does is just a indicator LED. It's a Wi-Fi LED to indicate that it's actually connected because it's not easy to tell what exactly the program is doing inside the circuit board. Another is a piezo buzzer. It should be under this. It makes a really loud noise, a buzzing sound when the air quality gets too high. And I saw it work at the 4th when I tested it 4th of July, so that's great. Another is a code revision where I essentially rewrote the entire code. I remade some of the definitions because the air quality index was inaccurate from the old code. I also made it run a lot faster, and I also added a is logging boolean so I can actually determine if I actually want the program to tell me what it's doing or if I don't want it to tell me because the print commands can really stack up in the serial. And this is just the data it's been collecting. My time here at Bluestamp was very interesting. I made a lot of progress, but only most of the progress actually came from the issues I faced. So I learned a lot from the errors. So I can go into detail some of these errors. These prints took more than one try because originally I would forget about certain things like this hole here or this hole here. I'd forget about those, as well as the interior. Another challenge I faced was the inside would definitely heat up, so that's why I had to move the BME 280 to the outside. And another challenge was trying to fix the code without messing anything up. I had to keep it running because I had to keep it running like overnights, over multiple nights, because sometimes the program would break for almost what seemed like no reason. So I had to do a lot of debugging there. But other than that, I think my project's really great. I got to work with a lot of people who had similar projects to mine, and we learned a lot from each other. And that is how I got this beautiful thing, which I will hang on my house for as long as I can.